Welcome to How It's Fixed. In today's video, we will take out the front bumper of 2021 Hyundai Elantra. As always, I'll just repeat the process. The very first is we open it from underneath, then we open from both sides, and then finally from the top. So let's jump into this. We always lift up the car in case because we need space to go underneath the car. So it's a best practice to always lift up the car before taking out the front bumper. I do notice from underneath the bumper there are just some straightforward clips. Like you will notice one here, the other one there, followed by a bunch of similar clips down towards the other side. Once the underneath part is done, now we jump onto the sides. Once we take out the clips from the sides, we notice there is an 8mm screw that we need to take out from the edge of the fender attached with the bumper. That's how it looks like. The other side has some damage on it, and that's the reason why you would notice some of the clips are already taken out because of the impact, but it's exactly the same step as of the driver's side I showed you. And there we have the same 8mm screw. We slightly pull. So the final process involves taking out the clips from top. You would notice one clip is here, one there, two in the middle, and then two on the other end. So that was it. That is how you take out the front bumper of 2021 Hyundai Elantra.